Good morning once again. Welcome to the Advancement and Scholarship Annual Assembly. So it's really nice to see familiar faces, and also there are colleagues who we just met today. So, to welcome everyone, let us call on stage the Advancement Chair, Mr. Robin Chan.
I'm so excited to have everyone. Binid, on behalf of our President and of course the DLSP Advancement Office, and of course Brother Gaz, I'd like to welcome everyone. We're just glad that you're all here, safe and warm. Again, we welcome everyone. I think it is very important for us to gather together and learn from each other. The work of advancement, you cannot suspend.
So, it's so good to be here, no? And I feel the energy in the room, no? So,